Let's talk about kids and earaches and some natural remedies. Recently, I had a couple of my nephews for about a week, and during that time, we got real snowed in. And I mean, like really, really snowed in, where it was so bad outside that you couldn't even send those people outside to play because of visibility. It was like an old school Dakota winter. And that's when people decided to get earaches. So I decided to take a cue from Rosemary Gladstar and take a lot of her advice about how to handle kids and earaches. I didn't have any medicine for kids, and I did not even have the option to go get some or go to the doctor. And it was early enough on in the process that I felt like we might have a chance of getting ahead of it. So first, I made a garlic oil, and this is what I did. Chop up like 5 or 6 cloves of garlic, put them in a double boiler, and then cover the garlic with just enough olive oil to cover it. You do not need a recipe or exact quantities here. Just do what I just said. You're going to put that on very low heat for about an hour, and then you're going to strain out the garlic. P.S. We put that garlic on some pizza, and it was heaven on earth. So then with the garlic oil, what I did is I created a little nest for my nephew and had him put his head to the side. I instilled the garlic oil into his ear. I put some paper towel over that and then a heating pad on top of that. And actually I use microwavable, what I call rice buddies. They're like rice packs. We kept it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes and then allowed it to drain. And then you want to do the other side because the eustachian tubes are connected in the back of the throat. And so if there's bacteria in one, it can transfer to the bacteria in the other. Right away, my nephew said his ear felt better, was feeling a lot better, still kind of hurt, but not bad. Here's the most important thing that I did. She says that it's really important to keep the kidneys warm when there's anything related to the ears, and I have known about that and have tried it for myself. I wanted to see how it work for him, so then I also took that heat pack and I put it on his lower back where his kidneys were. And he said right away how much better he felt, and I could see just relief pass through his body. By the next morning, he was saying that he was not really feeling any kind of pain anymore, maybe just a little bit of fluid. So we did that process with the garlic oil 2 to 3 times a day for about 3 days. And when he did go outside, we made sure that we doubly bundled up his ears so that there wouldn't be any irritation from the winter cold. This is not meant to be a substitute for medical advice, but this is something that really worked for me. Sometimes those old school remedies really work wonders, and they've been around for a long time for a reason. Follow for more, add yourself to my